Hello guys and girls, welcome to the video on recognizing the operation. Okay, and the first question you might ask yourself is, what's an operation? Okay, and in maths, an operation is just the general term for these operations: plus, minus, times, and divide. So every time you plus, you're doing an operation. Every time you minus, you're doing a different operation. Every time you times, you're doing a different operation. And every time you divide, that's another operation. And all of those are the 4 operations. Okay, so your job here is just recognizing what the change is to get from n to n plus 4. What operation we need to do to get from here to here, from n to n plus 4. Okay, now n is just a number. It could be any number, and that flexibility means a lot. We can do a lot with it because n can be anything. Okay, but to get from n plus to n plus 4, all we've got to do is add 4. Okay, if I take any number and I add 4, I'll have that number plus 4. Okay, so that gives us the answer of plus 4. Okay, that's our answer, because to go from n to n plus 4, you just add 4. Okay, our second operation, or our second question, is how do we go from a to a minus 3? Okay, well, in the first one, if we plus 4, well, all that's happened to the a is that 3's been taken away. So operation is take 3. And we're left with the answer, take 3. That's our operation to get from a to a take 3. Okay, hopefully you'll get a bit of an instinct for this by now. Okay, in my third one, I've got to get from b to 5b. Now, in our algebra stuff, we had a look and we worked out that 5b was a short code for writing b times 5. So all I've got to do at the top is write times 5. So my answer is times by 5. Okay, and that's because if I take a b and I times it by 5, I get 5 b's, or 5 lots of b. Okay, the final one is c changes to c divided by 7. Okay, so how do I change from c to c divided by 7? Well, I just divide by 7. Okay, so that's my answer. To get c to change to c divided by 7, I just divide by 7. Okay, and it's as simple as that. There's no trick, there's no harder part to it. It's just recognizing that change that happens and writing it down. Okay, and this will be a really useful skill and make the solving equations we're going to do later on a lot easier. Later, Gator.